Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining me again today. I'll be working on silhouette diagrams parsing. Again, off camera, I produced this beautiful creation. It's not exactly what I should have done, but I feel we're getting a little bit closer to the final product, so to speak. I resolved the problem where action 2 and 3 were on the same skewer. Now action 1 and 3 are on the same skewer. Action 2 is separated. This is not a correct drakon / wyvern diagram, but it doesn't matter for now. For now, what does matter most is that I can parse silhouette diagram specific blocks, meaning headline, address, and everything in between. So the plan I have for now is to add a headline icon to the mix. And see what happens. If time allows, I'll also attempt to reverse the order of the items within individual silhouette skewers. But for now, that's not the most important thing. I just want to refresh my memory as to how the address would look like. So input here. Oh, that's the address. Okay. There's a lot of work ahead of us. So maybe I should start with that reverse function after all. It would look something like this. Oh, by the way, where are my manners? I hope your day is going well and that you have your drink of choice ready. I've just brewed myself some AeroPress coffee with milk this time. That's pretty good. So that gives me the energy to write. Okay, so all we need to do here, I believe, is just to fold over the input. And to do something like this. Let's see if this works. It does compile. Now let's see. Okay, it looks much better, but the order is still wrong. In the input we have action 1 and 3 first. Well, this is actually wrong still. Because A, this is not a correct drakon diagram, so I can't reason about whether this is looking correct or not. It's just, it looks fine, but it's just not correct. Let us designate this to its own silhouette skewer. Which we will call one headline 1. Action 2. Action 3. So now we are expecting to have 2 skewers. And it does parse and it does lex. Okay. All right. Now, what do we have here? This is not correct. Whereas action 3 is fine, it should be present like so in its own skewer without any headline. We don't parse headlines yet. Action 1 and action 2 should be present here inside. Sorry, it should be placed on top of the this address block. So let's see where we are going wrong with this. And that will probably keep me busy for the rest of the session, I think. Just looking at the watch, or my phone. So first of all, the order is not correct. We should, in the reverse function, do a different fold. Reverse, reverse, reverse. We do fold R. Let's see if this is better. Okay. So what we get is action 3, correct. Action 1, action 2, incorrect. And this address block is correct. Okay. Let's see where our problem is. I believe this is a parser code. And also, this does not look correct. So we have a number of things to fix. But you know what? Maybe before we do, let's figure out that function to headline. Skewer block. Okay, this builds. So all we need to do now is to embed that headline here. Let's also do 2. Does it build? It doesn't build. Yeah. It builds now. So the same thing we need to repeat here. And now this graph, if we run it, should be enriched with headlines. And it does. Now, the tricky bit is that we still have this address block here. It shouldn't belong here, it should be here. No. What was here before? Let's see. Is it just that? No. That is unchanged. Oh, headline does not go here, does it? Yes, instead it should go here. Like this. Let's see. Not quite. But I think we're getting close. Let's see. This all has to be in the same list. So instead of doing this, let's do head of 3. Then we can do this. This is a list. And then nope. Nope. The issue is here, right? Yes. Oh, yeah, sorry. This was correct, but it also needs to be placed in the list. So this ignores the rest of 3, which is good for now. And now so, yeah, sorry, that should be this. But don't believe anything else is there. Okay, so we don't have to worry about this. Or maybe we do. Let's just leave it here. Now, what we need to do is to add a headline. And that should be $2. $2, not just 2. And here it should be $1, just to copy that address. Needs to be an array, sorry, a list. Okay. This looks done-ish. Now, let's figure out why these don't have text in them. Oh, of course, because to content, that should be just content. Yes. Incorrect, incorrect. Okay, what's going on? Yeah. It's not a string. That's a token. Now, if we go back here, let's see if Lexer 3 has silhouette diagrams. Sorry, here. It doesn't. So here we can have a solo identifier as well as an option. And in that case, our headline, sorry, our address is going to be 5. I hope it parses now. It parses because we made no changes. But let's add the ID here. Yeah. That's the wrong place to put it. Or maybe it isn't. Let's see if we can parse it. No, we can't. What does the token say? Token block 2, action 2, token solo identifier, token B. Should we just swap it? No. Does it work now? It should. It is the same thing. Just an ID. Oh, yeah. let's modify the input so it's fixed symbol, like hash. And in the parser, let's restore this. Oh yeah, we need to define it as a token. Let's call it token H. Elixir. Oh, come on. Token H, CCB. Okay, I'll have to leave it for the next session, and I'll try to do some experimentation of camera. I'm sure I must be doing something silly. In the meantime, I feel this is a good progress for today. Just a reminder, what we need to figure out is how to specify the address of headline in the address block. So this should be empty, and this should be 2H2, I think. Right. Thank you, everyone, so much for your attention today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.